Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Aspire account online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, launch open any web browser that you prefer. To get started, in the URL box popping up at the top of the screen, type in www.aspire.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official homepage of Aspire. Aspire is a payment services institution which is able to provide an all-in-one finance operating system for business. Once you end up on the official site, you'll be able to see your login area displayed on the right corner. Go ahead and enter your valid username in the first text box. If you're not enrolled or signed up for Aspire account yet, click on the sign up now link and follow through the registration process. If you already have an account, make sure to enter your username correct in the first text box. On the next field, type in your correct password. If you'd like the system to remember you, check this little remember me box at the bottom so that you won't have to type in your username again and again in this particular device. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public device, and you can now click the sign in button if your information are correct. But if you happen to forget your credentials during logging in, get help by clicking the forgot password or username link and follow through the instructions in order to look for your credentials. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be able to log in and access your aspire.com account without delay. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.